We do Earth observation in the context of agriculture. So we face a huge problem in society, which is food. So we're not going to be able, with the food production we have today, to feed all the estimate of 9+ billion people until 2050. So we want to solve that problem using Earth observation and in situ sensing to optimize field yield and help farmers prevent diseases. For our company, one of the biggest issues at the moment is coordination. We are a globally distributed team, so we're going to need an office to gather at some point during the next weeks, months. Funding, so European funding and the ESA business incubation centers are not enough to accelerate your company beyond 10 people. And we are looking for venture capitalists, all these kinds of things. We had the luck of being started and sort of pre-incubated in the ESA App Camp. So I think what it takes is, first of all, knowing the right people, because documentation on the internet and resources on the internet are still lacking some of the crucial information. So knowing people is important. Then having an expert at your group when you get started with the idea to have validation and all of these things is really important. And networking with other companies. A lot of Earth observation companies don't have the big internet presentation that other companies would have. So there's a lot happening behind the walls that you wouldn't know about if you don't have the network. Access is easy. So there's FTP servers, so file servers provided by the ESA to download all kinds of data sets. But then working with it will require a lot of computational resources. So there's this approach that's now being discussed here at this workshop as well, of building a platform, an Earth observation platform, like the Google Earth Engine to access the data and compute on top of the data on that online server platform provided by ESA. So that's going to make the process a lot easier. Talk to Earth observation experts if the idea you're having is really that cool, or if 10 other companies are already working on it. Then contact an ESA Business Incubation Center, apply for the App Camp. There's Copernicus Masters, there's multiple competitions. And if you fail at those, you know you're not going to have a lot of chances because this is going to be the best validation done by experts for you. So this is the first step I advise. And after that, everything's going to evolve. So if you're networking with the right people, they'll come to you and help you. Copernicus itself is one of the biggest hurdles they're going to face is data distribution, data access, documentation on what the data actually is, because today you need Earth observation scientists. We have an advisory board of scientists that help us understand what the data does, which you just can't do by the resources that are online.